In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js on Windows and set up the Claude command line. First, head to the official Node.js website in your browser. On the home page, click Download, then choose the Windows Installer option. When the file finishes downloading, open it and complete the setup. Keeping the default options is usually best for most users. This installs Node.js and NPM, which you'll need for the Claude tools. Next, go to the Claude website. Navigate to the Claude code section, then open Advanced Installation. Scroll down until you find the standard installation area. There, you'll see a command provided for installing or setting up the tool. Highlight and copy that entire command. We'll paste it in a moment. Now open the Windows search box and type command prompt. Open command prompt, then type node-v and press enter. You should see a version number appear. That confirms Node.js is correctly installed and ready. With that confirmed, right-click to paste or press Ctrl+V to paste the command you copied from the standard installation section, then press enter. Let the process finish. This may take a minute as it downloads and installs everything needed for Claude. After the installation completes, open File Explorer. Choose a location for your work, right-click in an empty area, and select New, then Folder. Give the folder a clear name you'll recognize later, then open it. At the top of the window, click in the address bar, type cmd, and press enter. This opens a command prompt that's already set to your new folder's path, which makes running commands in that folder simple. Type Claude and press enter. If you see a prompt asking for confirmation, choose yes and continue to proceed. Then type /login and press enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in. At this point, you'll need an active subscription to use Claude beyond setup. If you don't have one yet, complete the purchase to finish activating your account and unlock full access. That's it. You've installed Node.js, verified it with a quick version check, used the standard installation command from the Claude Code Advanced instructions, created a dedicated working folder, launched a command prompt in that folder, initialized Claude, and logged in. You're now ready to start using Claude from the command line on Windows.